What's going on, buddy? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, I added a new drag wing which was custom made by me, and I added a scale parachute at the back here because the wing that I had on it before, it was getting scratched because as the car get up to power, the car does flip, and I will be inserting some clips with that. And other than that, I have the slicks off now because I need a new set because the car definitely grips, and those were also an old pair that I was running on the front wheel drive. So overall the car is not doing too bad. I just think that the car right now, it needs the upgrades to really keep it going straight and one side not offloading, because as you can see, we're picking up some scratches here at the front because the car is flipping. Also at the top here, going around, we have some scratches and stuff like that. So we don't really want to damage the body anymore, so just gonna go ahead and just put on these wheels and just go and run it a little bit on the street and stuff like that for now, until we can bring it back to the track with the slicks. We need to get the upgrades that can tow out the wheel somewhere, tow in, depending on what we need. That this side like to unload, which is the left side, so we have to get the upgrades to fix that. But other than that, this is the new wing that I added, fully custom made, and added some wing supports and stuff like that. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to be bringing it back to the track when I get the slicks and throw some more upgrades in it and stuff like that. But the best time is 3-1 at 42 miles per hour. Feathering this throttle all the way through, so this car has mad potential as an all-wheel drive setup. So drop a like and stay tuned.